Hello YouTubers, it is Monday, November 5th, December 5th, 2011, and I've got a lot of comments on a couple of videos of our old 2002 Mazda 626. I've gotten a lot of comments here recently all of a sudden. It's really strange because the videos have been up. Oh, well, the oldest video's been there for 3 years, I think. Somebody asked the other day, does it still run? Is it smoking at all? How's it doing? Well, it's doing okay, but that's because nobody ever drives it, so I figured why not go out there and start it up. It's been... Hang on, let me grab my drink here. Can't go anywhere without that. Now, and then there we go. There she sits. It's been about a month and a half since it was started or driven last, and it was definitely cold, wet, and rainy today. It's dried up some, but I figure I'm waiting on a ride, so why not? Oh, that's perfect. Security light goes out. Figured why not come out, start it up if the battery ain't dead. Definitely would be considered a cold start, seeing as it's about 34 degrees out here. It's the coldest day so far this year. Lights are kind of dim. Does not bode well. Set my drink down in here. Get the keys out. Oh, the dome light ain't even on. But it sure is dim. We'll see. Oh, come on. Oh. Definitely gonna have to put the charger on. Quit squeaking. Quit squeaking. Quit that squeaking. There we go. Woo! Cold. She's cold and I'm cold. Whose glasses are those? I think those are the roommate's reading glasses. Woo! You think it's cold? If that needle could wrap all the way around, it would. 141,841 miles. Whew. It's cold and windy out there. Turn this dome light off now. Anyway, it hasn't in the last 3 years, or almost 3 years, since February of 2009, it's been driven, I guess, less than 300 miles. This is the roommate's car, my aunt's car, and ever since she got the new Suzuki, she got a 2008 Suzuki XL7, and since it's a newer car and it's a bit bigger because it's a crossover, and it's got heated seats, she drives it more, even though this thing gets quite a bit better gas mileage. This is no slouch by any means, though. It doesn't have heated leather seats. It's got cloth interior, and it's a bit dirty because she used to carry around kids all the time. But I like it. If I could drive, I would be driving it. It rides a whole lot nicer than the Suzuki does. It's a whole lot quieter on the road. Much nicer vehicle in my opinion, but you know, wait for it to warm up a little bit and then get some heat going. Look at that wind blowing the bird feeder out there. It is definitely cold. Cold, and the heater, our central central heat is broken inside the house. So it's 34 degrees out here. Well, it's about 54 in the house. Let me tell you, it's cold. You don't want to be walking around in your bare feet. So we'll come back when she's warmed up a little bit and get me some tunes and sit here and relax and listen to some tunes.
360-9000. Roll in closing costs and taxes and come to closing with no money out of pocket. Many loans need no appraisal. If you're purchasing or refinancing, call 214-360-9000 and join the growing rate.
¿Qué tal romance con el gol? Que la portería ha sido...
We'll make you a deal.
Files.com with Verizon.
There we go, some country tunes. I'm a redneck after all. It's starting to get a little toasty now. My hands are almost thawed out. We're almost to the middle. We may not even get to the middle because it's so cold outside. .4K rev limiter. Dang it. Man, I gotta remember to put the battery charger on this thing because that battery was almost dead. It's a brand new battery. Well, it's 2.5 years old battery, but when the car sits for months at a time, you know, even the clock is going to drain the battery after 8 months. Hands are pinking up. Well, it's time to shut her down. Gotta go, my ride's almost here. So long for now.